Hello! We're back today with the Kwanwa battery-powered alarm clock. We're gonna go ahead and get it opened up. Right off the bat, I saw this nifty card that if you have any trouble, you can contact them and they're willing to help. Then we found the instructions that were very helpful, easy to read. And then the clock itself, I was surprisingly happy with. It's very modern, it's simple, it's nice to the eye. I'm happy with it. And then we're gonna get that backing pulled off to get our batteries in. Fun fact about this clock, it actually took 2 batteries, and I heard the beep that prompted me that it was powered. So I could only imagine how long it would last with 4 batteries. To get the time set, we're gonna make sure that that switch is put in the time set position, and we can use our hour and minute buttons to control the time. Then we'll go ahead and put that switch down into the lock position to set the time in. To go ahead and set the alarm, we're gonna put the switch into the all set position, and again use the hour and minute button to control that. Once the alarm is set, we will put that down into the lock position to set it in. If you hold your hour button in for 5 seconds, that will activate your snooze. And then if you just tap that hour button, you can toggle between 24-hour and 12-hour. The best feature of this clock is the fact that it can toggle between LCD and LED, and it has an automatic function as well, that once it senses the light going off and on, it automatically changes. Overall, I would say that this product is probably the best battery-powered clock I've yet to see. Check out what we have next time.